Today in this video I will show you how you can install any operating system into your VirtualBox. I had explained everything related to the VirtualBox, how to create a VirtualBox. If you don't know anything about VirtualBox, I will recommend to watch that video. I will provide the link in the description so you can watch that video after this video. So basically the process will be the same for the default window installation, or if you do installation of the operating system into your VirtualBox, you have to know few things before you can install any operating system into your laptop. If you are installing it for the first time or for the second time, you have to check for the security boot option must be disabled into your security tab of the BIOS menu. If you want further help, you can Google it. So let's start. As you can see, everything is looking the same. Like if you do a default window installation for your laptop or are running the VirtualBox, you have to click on next, then click on install now. Then you have to choose for the option. This may be different according to your ISO you are having, so you can choose anything according to the options given into that operating system, or maybe these options will be skipped if only single operating system type is available into that ISO. Click on next. I accept. And so there is a two option. Basically you can upgrade the current window version or you can have a clean installation. I always prefer to have a clean installation. Under this option you click on new. You have to click on apply, just click on OK. As you can see, your hard disk is going to be divided into some partitions. Some partition is going to be reserved for the Windows to perform its basic task, and second partition is going to be the location where you have to install the window. You have to look for the larger size partition where you have to install that window. If you try to install in the reserve partition, it's not going to allow you, so you have to choose the larger partition. Click on next, and the basic steps are done, and it's going to take a while, so I'm going to skip the video. As you can see, the installation is about to complete. Now it will do a restart, so you don't have to worry about that. I want to tell you one more thing, that the installation process is going to totally depend on the hardware that you have right now. So if you have a good hardware, that installation is going to be much faster than the normal, or if you have the a decent type of hardware, so it's going to take a while. Now the installation is almost complete, so you have to follow the basic guidelines. So you have to choose your region. Just leave it to United States, and the keyboard layout, just leave it to US. Click on skip. and I don't have internet connection. This will reduce your setup time. I'm going to continue with the limited setup. Choose the name like ABC, or you can have anything. Password next. Then just disable all this nonsense. Click on note now. Now finally the installation of the Windows is done. As you can see, I have the proper installed window. All the stuff is the same as you use your default window. One more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to enable the option of the drag and drop, you have to choose from bidirectional, so that you can drop the stuff from the within the VirtualBox to your default window, or if you want to move something from default window to the VirtualBox. And second thing is that you have to install this guest additional 3D image. So basically after installation you will be able to use all the features of the VirtualBox. So you have to just run this as an administrator, and this window is going to be boot for the one time. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel if you are visiting this channel for the first time, and have a nice day.